How to fix Spotify music not working problem solve. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Spotify music not working problem solve. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, to fix this problem, first of all, what you need to do, you have to check whether your internet connection is well okay or not. So after doing this, if your internet connection is well okay, then also you're facing the problem, then you just need to go to App Store or Google Play Store. If you're using Android, go to Play Store, and if you're using iOS, go to App Store and then search for Spotify music app. So here you can see, and here you can see the option updates. If you find this update option, just tap on update, and then guys, make sure to update your Spotify app from Google Play Store or App Store. Okay, so sometimes if you haven't update your app application, that time you'll face this type of problem. Now after this, you can open and try it out, the problem might solve. So guys, again, if it is not working, then what you need to do here, you have to uninstall or delete the application from your device and then reinstall it, and then switch off your phone and then switch on it, and then you have to log in it once again, and then the problem will be absolutely solved. So guys, this is how you can do that. Thanks for watching.